Good morning, good morning. How do you do? Good morning to all Baghdad. Thank you. Meron naman akong nag-chat kaso maybe hindi siya nag-subscribe to me. Mag-subscribe ko din sa kanya. It's okay, okay lang. At least that, sayang lang wala ako subscriber. I wish to some of them that you are watching in my life, from the bottom of your heart na lang. Subscribe naman if you make me chat, if you make me message, even one or two. Thank you, no? Thank you very much, thank you. Thank you so much. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to all of us. Okay, so this one is the bachi. I think this one is chocolate. I don't think so. Kasi akala ko for the beginning, this one is perfume. But, or I don't know. I think this one is chocolate. Yeah. Ayan, very nice. Naka-box. Ang liit-liit. I-try ko yan pag-eat yung isa. So, to make it sure kung ano ba talaga to. Kung chocolate talaga to. Okay. Okay. So now, we try to this one. The first layer, the first box. And this one also is the second. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So if you are here in the Baghdad, you can search to their shop, and you can try. You can check their what's that their product that what we have. Okay. Yeah. So now I try to open this one. I try to open this one. Kung this one is chocolate or yeah, of course chocolate. Because what's that? Hindi naman siya yata. Hindi siya ano ba yun? Impossible naman kung bubble gum to. Diba? Impossible naman kung bubble gum to. Diba? Where is it pa? Ayan. Okay. Oh, chocolate nga. Chocolate. It's chocolate. Chocolate. Oh, wow. Chocolate. It's good, this one for the coffee. If you have guests and you are serving the coffee, so you can put this one. You can put this one. Yeah. To look at different na naman. Ibang design. Nakabox siya. So, Pachi, you can, some of you that you are watching in their mga videos or these videos, try to visit in their chocolate shop. Okay. Time it to eat. Try good. Kay madam naman to. Hindi naman to sa ibang tao. Kaya ako ang magta-try. Good. Good yung chocolate. Very good. Good siya. Good. Pampaiwasan to. Okay. Pampaiwasan to. Ayan naman yung best friend. Collection ni Amo. Delikado if the fish is like this one. Wala ka talaga. Pinag-agsaya pa naman ang panahon. Okay, so once again, thank you.